Hello friends! If you're thinking about stepping into the world of virtual reality, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to review the best VR headsets of 2025, Meta Quest 3, PSVR 2, and Meta Quest 3S. Each device stands out with different features and performance. So, which model suits you best? Which device offers the best VR experience? Let's take a closer look at each of them. VR headsets are devices that completely transform your immersion in the virtual world. With visual quality, performance, viewing angles, and extra features, each one offers a different experience. Today, we'll compare these three popular VR headsets in detail to help you choose the one that's right for you. With technology advancing, the VR world is growing rapidly, and choosing the right device can take your gaming experience to the next level. First, let's take a look at Meta Quest 3. Meta has long been a leader in VR headsets, and the Quest 3 takes it one step further with advanced features. The Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor provides excellent performance, while the pancake lenses provide a wider viewing angle and higher resolution. With a viewing distance of up to 260 meters, this headset increases the sense of depth in games and virtual experiences, and offers long-term use with 8GB RAM and a 5000 mAh battery. Mixed reality (MR) features make the transition from the virtual world to the real world much smoother. With USB-C fast charging support, you can charge it in a short time, and it will never let you down. All these features come together with a price tag of $499. If you want high performance and advanced virtual reality experience, Meta Quest 3 is the perfect choice. Our next model is PSVR 2, designed specifically for Sony PlayStation 5 users. In the VR world, Sony is enriching the gaming experience with features such as OLED displays and 3D audio technology. OLED displays offer sharper and deeper colors, preventing the screen from darkening. 3D sound immerses you in the game world, allowing you to realistically hear environmental sounds. And advanced controllers offer a more realistic and interactive gaming experience. However, PSVR 2 is only compatible with PlayStation 5 and requires an adapter for PC. This makes it ideal for users who only own the PlayStation ecosystem. At $549, the PSVR 2 may be a pricey option for those who want a high-quality gaming experience, but when combined with the PlayStation 5, it's a perfect fit. If you own a PlayStation 5, the PSVR 2 is a really great device. Finally, let's take a look at Meta Quest 3S. Quest 3S is a more affordable version of Meta Quest 3. It offers similar visual quality and performance with Fresnel lenses and a Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor. With 1400 lumens of light power and enhanced resolution, it provides a high-quality VR experience, and with a light distance of up to 103 meters, it performs effectively in mid-range games. UV light mode and green laser mode provide additional fun and practical features. With a 1800 mAh battery, you can ensure long-term use, and with the fast charging feature, you can get your device back into use very quickly. With a price tag of $299, it's a great choice for those looking for a budget-friendly but still very powerful VR device. Here are the three best VR headsets of 2025. Each of them completely transforms the VR experience with different features and performance levels. So, which one is best for you? Meta Quest 3, PSVR 2, or Meta Quest 3S? Let us know in the comments. If you want to know about more VR headset reviews and tech device comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified about our new videos. See you in the next video.